Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alma. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. This is the look I created today. Stay tuned to see how I did it. This is like a coquette look. Perfect for Valentine's that's coming up. And I really enjoyed creating it. Stay tuned and thank you so much. Let's get started. I'm excited to create this look. It's a coquette. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. I'll put the word on the bottom here. But I'm going to do a look like that. And pretty much everything is all pink. Blush pink. Everything, it's all rosy and pink and cute. That's why I decided to put this bow on my hair. So, you know, to get into the vibe of the coquette. Coquette? I don't know how you say it. Okay, so the moisturizer I used on my face today is this one by Trader Joe's. I love it. And I'm going to put this primer by Sephora, the Sephora brand. Look how it mattifies my face, like my pores. It just smooths everything out for my foundation. See? Look at this cheek and look at this cheek. I'm gonna do this one. See? Can you guys see the difference? Okay, and the foundation I'm gonna be using today is the L'Oreal True Match. I'm gonna put it in the back of my hand. See how it's all liquidy? That's why I'd rather use a brush with this one. Okay, so I just did my brows and I finished up my foundation. And I'm gonna prime my lids using this eyeshadow primer by Milani. This one right here. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my lids. And then with my ring finger, I'm gonna spread it out. It feels like I haven't done video in a long time. There's so much stuff happening that I haven't been able to sit down, but you know, and create a cute makeup look. This one, I think I saw it on TikTok or Pinterest or something. This beautiful pink, and I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day because Valentine's Day is coming up soon. I would totally use this for that. And I'm sad that I didn't have my nails today, but telling you, I haven't had time to sit down and create a cute look. I didn't want to do like the same thing, so that's why I'm like, I have to go back and film, but when it's something cute, it's just been hectic lately. In a good way though, in a good way. It's not even bad. Okay, so that is set. Now I'm gonna pick up my concealer. This one is by L'Oreal, this one right here. And I'm gonna put a little bit here, a little bit here. This looks like it's like light makeup. It's not even that intense. So I'm gonna be doing this look with a light hand. So that way it's not too much. I'm using the same brush that I used for my foundation. This one is the Real Techniques. pretty light hand. Okay, so to set my under eyes and wherever I place my concealer, I'm gonna get this Wet n Wild powder. It's called Bare Focus Clarifying Finishing Powder, light to medium. I don't know, I ran out of translucent powder and, you know, I'm just using what I have. But I'm putting it under my eye with this small brush. This brush is by NYX. It has a number 5 on it, so that's the one. I could even go in with a powder, little puff. This triangle right here. Ooh, you see how it mattifies it? Freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Look at that. Matte. And it's a Wet n Wild, okay? Wet n Wild. That's wild. Okay, so now that that is set, now we're gonna go in with our eyes. Here, let's get that powder back again, and I'm just gonna seal my primer that I placed on my lids, okay? So it's easier to blend when I put my colors on. Okay, so check it out. I'm gonna go straight up with blush, okay? I do have the L'Oreal blushes that I always use, but you know, this, I wanted to pull out some of my old stuff. So I'm gonna get an angled brush like this, and I'm gonna get a combination of blushes. Whatever works for you. Everybody has different skin tones for this pink look. So, you know, I'm using these. Whatever works for your skin tone, whatever pink you want to use, pull it out and use it. So I'm just doing this one and this one. This is the Makeup Revolution blush palette. Like I said, I haven't used it in a while, so I have to pull it out, change it up a little bit. I know I put too much. I saw that people would intensify it and just like, you know, which is cool. I thought no matter how people did it on, you know, TikTok or, you know, Pinterest, every look I saw was really cute. So you can't go wrong with this, honestly. So I'm just pretty much putting it on top of my cheeks, cheekbones, and up to my temples. And I'm just creating that C and going down. I don't know. I like it like that. Put a little bit on my nose to give it color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a brush, something like this, and I'll pick up like, okay, I'm gonna pick up this shimmery pink right here. It's from that palette, and I'm just gonna place it all over my lid. I picked the shimmery pink from my lid because it's just cute. And I'm just running it all over my lid. Okay, so for my lids, I wanted to do like a pale white on my lids. I'm picking up this blonde. It's called Blonde, and it's in this palette by Urban Decay. Okay, so I'm gonna place it like right about there just to highlight the lid a little bit. And I saw somebody, and I'm just doing it with my finger. And I saw somebody kind of, this is like a matte eyeshadow. Again, it's called Blonde. It's in this palette that I'm holding in my hand right now by Urban Decay. It's a Urban Decay Gwen Stefani collab. I know, I've had it for a really long time. but it's cute. Look how cute it looks. And I saw somebody, here, let me get a brush that goes for it. Okay, I'm gonna pick up this brush right here. It's like a flat brush, and I'm gonna pick up that same blonde color, and I'm gonna highlight underneath my brow. Just gonna tap it a little bit. And it also gives you that little glow, see? I just tapped it in. I just pack it right underneath the brow and tap it in. That's it. That's all you need. And I'm just gonna place more on my lid. Wow, that's so cute. I love this. I love it. Also, I pulled out this Makeup Revolution. It's a vintage lace blush. It's an intense dual blusher. That's what it says. But look how pretty this is. I swatched the colors on my hand, and they're really cute. So I wanted to use this pink. Let's see which one. Yeah, this one. Let's see how it looks. I just wanted to place it like right about here to highlight the cheek area. So I'm gonna pick it up with my little fan brush and look, oh my God. I'm excited. It's a bit much for me, but I think it looks really cute. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. I like it. It's a little different for sure. Okay, so I just placed my mascara. The one I'm using is the Maybelline Define a Lash. I'm debating if I should put lashes. I feel like I should. I don't know, what do you guys think? Like on the outer, you know, like big lashes. Let me try them. Okay, so I did my lashes, okay? And the ones I'm using, it's the Kiss Faux Mink, and it's called Little Black Dress. I wanted something really subtle, really, you know, not too much. And I feel like these eyelashes were perfect for this look. Okay, so right now I have lip oil, like always. The one I'm using right now is the Milani. And I could just, this will be it, like that's it. I'm not gonna contour because I didn't see on the other looks that I saw, like the examples, nobody contoured. It was just all pink and like rosy cheeks, and then like light on the eyes with pink, and then like highlighting the brow bone and the lid. So I feel like that's it. And then you could just, you know, do it with this, which this already looks really cute. But I'm gonna do a lip liner. Okay, I have Dusty Rose. I think this will be a perfect one. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my lips. This is Dusty Rose by Italia Deluxe. I bought it on TikTok Shop. On my TikTok, I show you all the lip liners that I got, and I swatched them all on my lips. So go check it out. So I'm just gonna fill it in. And dab it with my finger. Now, if this happens, you could just get a little concealer brush with a tad bit of concealer, just a little bit, not too much. Get a little concealer brush. Just a little bit like that on the corners. Okay. And this is the final look, everybody. I hope you guys like this look. I really enjoyed creating it, and I loved everything about it. Pink and just very subtle, very perfect for Valentine's that's coming up soon. So I think I'm gonna do this look. I don't know, but I love the very like simplicity of it. Very elegant for sure. And my little messy bun with my bow. I think it looked really great with it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like to see more, please subscribe and check out my other videos. Give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next video.